Right, hello, good morning. Yeah, I thought I need to release a new version of Overmind. It's running now on Code Sandbox, the very latest version. But of course, I'm having some issues. I think it's because I updated my OS. Yeah, reinstall command line tools. Is this... Oh, this is Catalina. Big Sur command line tools install. It's really annoying. I have to reinstall the command line tools every time I update Big Sur. Where's the... Oh, goddamn, where's the... Install command line. Goddamn, where's the link? Here it is. Apple ID. Oh, goddamn. You're allowed... This is such a funny thing. Like I'm logging in on the same machine. Hello. Is it Björn? Björn? Yeah, like logging in on the... Is this... Command line tools. Okay, I guess this is it. Yeah, let's try installing this. Anyways, feeling a bit better today. I have to get it out. I have to do the baby rant. Like yesterday, I couldn't even work. I had such a hangover, like not from drinking, but it's just how fucked up your sleep is with a baby, and you get into this hangover mode. And it's like not because you necessarily haven't gotten enough sleep. It's just the times you wake up. Oh, South Africa, awesome. It's not the lack of sleep. It's like you get woken up all the time, so you're not like tired. You just have this insane hangover, and it makes me unable to work. And then, but that's not like a big deal in terms of like working at Code Sandbox. You just say that, sorry, I can't work today, and that's okay. But it's like I want to work, and I feel a responsibility for what I'm doing. And then I get super upset by that, and then the mood at home is like super shitty. And then tonight I get sleep because I have had the worst night the previous night, but now this morning my girlfriend had a horrible night, and she's understandably in a really shitty mood. And like you can't, like I feel like we're being outplayed by a 7-month-old baby. It's crazy. It's just insane. Like why? Yeah. Anyways, so we're regrouping. Yeah. 3 and 5. Yeah, at least. And I've talked to other parents like when does it get better, and does it get better, and it's like everybody's like, well, yeah, you get more sleep, but I wouldn't say it like you don't stop worrying. You don't, like, there's no lack of challenges having kids. It just changes over the years. But yeah, it's just nice. Hello, Etienne. It's just nice to kind of get it out, rant about it, and then we'll always figure it out. It gets better. Thank you, Björn. Thank you. Yeah, it's just like the basis of any like human conscious state requires enough sleep. Like to enjoy anything, you need enough sleep. That's like the baseline. And if you don't get enough sleep, it's like, yeah. So I guess that's the thing about babies, is that you don't get that baseline sleep you need to enjoy anything. But that changes. Luckily, I've talked to people who like has issues like way into like 1 to 2, even 3 years old, like waking up in the night. Yeah. Anyways, let's see if we can get this thing running. I guess we can prepare some other stuff in the meantime. So we have the website. We have a few things we need to do. So we have this change feed that we need to publish. It should be ready, I think. And then there's a link to the migration guide, which, yeah, I have prepared all of this stuff. So that should be good. So yeah, we need to publish this, update this release thing. Oh, we have to change to V28. Oh, it's already ready. Ah, great. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and like I have to be careful about that, Björn, because I kind of try to argue that like I have to work, so I can't like sleep when the baby sleeps during the day, but like you can because you're in maternity leave. But that's not always easy to do, so it's a little bit tenuous argument. And then we have like our neighbor is in the exact same situation as us, and they're building a new playground on one side of the house, and then on the other side of the house there's this big lawn, and there's a tractor every single day. It feels like coming there and cutting the grass, so we don't have anywhere to go. So like very often there are like outside uncontrollable stuff that causes the baby to wake up during the day, and that's like, oh, and that's so annoying. Like one thing is if you can like control the environment, and then it's more like up to the baby if he wakes up or not. But when there are outside stuff causing the baby to wake up, it's like Let's see, where's Overmind? Okay, so we have, yes, so basically it's making V28. We need to change that name, make it main. I have to go through the introduction because we have a few sandboxes that runs on the old version. And that should be it. Is it something install time about a minute? Is there something I'm supposed to click here? Or okay. Okay, if this isn't working, I'm going to grab my laptop and we'll do the merging there instead, because everything's set up there. But yeah, let's give it a chance. I guess we can change the how does this work? How do I change the name of that thing? There we go. Yeah, we're going to set it as main variant after the release. I have a feeling there's a there's a button somewhere I need to click for this to finish, and it's like hidden somewhere. I don't know. Let's give it some more time. Yeah, and we should, yeah, there we go. Close. Let's try again. I wonder if I'm using the wrong version of Node. Anyways, I think it got further. Yeah. Okay, cool. It seems to be working now. Great. Oh, I hope it improves your day, Björn. Like, remember how bad it was, and even though I'm sure there are challenges now as well, but now you can remember the really bad days. Puts things in perspective. Let's see. Yeah, and we're going to write like a... Okay, everyone. There we have it. Overmind version 28. Finally. Website is updated, and here are the release notes and migration guide. It's really nice how simplified Overmind. It feels like it's like a wrap-up release, like both in terms of the documentation, but also like the typing is insanely simplified. Can't believe well, it was with good intention. Like, I had this big argument of like left side typing versus right side typing. But yeah, it's really nice now. And also I cleaned up some documentation, so there isn't any like typed documentation unless you actually go to the TypeScript TypeScript guide. And even this one is very simplified now, because it isn't that much you actually need to know about. Actions, effects, operators. Yep. There we go. Build success. Okay, so we're going to try to do... So we do this... we need to say no git, so we can do like a dry release. It's really cool. I'm really proud of yeah, it's... Well, you don't know. Just... And it's not even gin and tonic, it's just pure gin. But yeah, I'm really proud of this repo cooker. We built this when we built Cerebral, because there weren't really any good monorepo tools back then, or they were in their early days. And it's really, really sad that we haven't shared information about that project, but because I think it's actually really good, and it was so much fun to build it. Let's see, dry run. And there we have the release. And what we can do now is, wow, there's quite a bit of stuff here. So we'll just do a quick review of this. And the way we do that is we create a gist for it. I think I actually have a release document here. Update public gist. Okay, so we have, it's bumping to... Oh, this isn't right. God damn it. This should be 28. Why isn't it? Don't we have a breaking... Oh. Wow, good thing we checked this. It looks like we haven't put a breaking change on Overmind itself, which we need to do. It's on monorepo. Oh, everything's on monorepo. Move to new repo cooker. Okay, something has happened here. Let's see. So proxy state tree is not changing its version. Okay, I think I need to. Okay, Overmind DevTools, that's okay. Betsy is okay. Overmind DevTools client, yeah, that's okay. What about? Oh, this isn't good. What about Overmind View? This is React, and it doesn't change version. Oh. Okay, I think we're just going to like force breaking change on each package. Because the thing is that, oh, there's a story. Like GitHub changed their tag requirements, and then we changed the repo cooker tool to do a different approach with node modules. There's something. Yeah, so we're going to force a breaking change commit on Overmind React, on proxy state tree, and let's see. Yeah, or if I could change the history here, so these aren't named monorepo. Why do they say monorepo? Is that from the? I guess that's from the Git history. Is it from the Git history? How do I look at the Git history? I'm not that good. Well, I guess it's Git history. No. Look at Git history. Well, of course, I can just check the. God damn it! Of course, we had to. Making it work. Yeah, fix Overmind. Fix Overmind. Overmind state chart. Chore build feed chore. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening here. Why isn't god damn it. Why are these stated as monorepo? God damn it. Because here we have, this is the breaking change of Overmind. It's just yeah, git log. Overmind state chart. Build, Overmind DevTools. Like some of them is monorepo, but some of them is not. Like completely rework the typing. Where is that thing? Let me just check that specifically. Completely. Yeah, feet Overmind. So it is Overmind, but for some reason, the repo cooker tool identifies it as monorepo, which is not good. The fudge. How are we going to figure that out? Repo cooker. Repo QPR. There we go. Where are you? Oh, yeah. Oh, god damn it. what happened here. Why? Where's the action that get history from hash? Parse commits. Oh, that's just. Which one of these is responsible for reading the commit? Get dependencies. Group commits by package. Not any package, monorepo. Config package paths. Maybe that's the problem. Package name. Okay, so config package paths. So this is, let's see, config.path. Ah. Okay, maybe that's new. Package paths. Let's see. I haven't been that involved. Packages path. Okay, so that's changed. For monorepo with multiple packages, specify the subpath to each package. For monorepo with multiple, specify the subpath to each package. Path. Packages path package name. This was a little bit confusing. I guess it's supposed to be an object. Let's try this. So we have our different, that's kind of weird. Why doesn't it automatically? So we have packages Betsy. Oh, sorry. Betsy packages. Because that's the way it looked in the like packages paths config.packages paths full path. Package name. Okay, let's just try this. Betsy, and then it's paths. Thanks a lot. You have a good day as well, and hopefully we'll get this thing running. Overmind dev tools. Client. GraphQL. Overmind React. State chart. Svelte. And Svelte. And then view. And then proxy state tree. Okay, let's see what happens if I do npm install now. Does that still work? And then we can try the dry run again. Of course, that doesn't work. Link Overmind all modules. Oh yeah, let's see. Let's try again. That's weird. Why did it? Was there a new release of Repo Cooker? Which version is this? 7.3.1? I believe that's the one I have as well. Yeah. Okay, hopefully this will work. Hopefully this will work. The life of an open source maintainer working in the terminal and npm. Blah 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 blah. God damn it. Why does it say that? Is this 7.3.1 packages paths? God damn it! I have no idea how this is needs to be set up. Like I haven't done this for ages. Damn it. What was the name of the other project that used this? Cannot create symlink. Am I just doing this wrong? Should it be? I have a feeling packages path. What did I use to have here? Is it just, maybe it's just supposed to be packages path and then it resolves it, because that's what I would expect. Like it used to be a glob, but I think it should just be packages. Let's try this. Nope. What does this mean? Specify the subpath to each package? Does it mean, is this literally the thing I'm going to write? Like, am I going to, is it being parsed? Oh, god damn it. This is so annoying. Providers. God damn it. I have no idea how to set this up. Get packages paths Globby. Where is this being used? Get packages paths. I just don't. I'm so stuck. How would I go? Packages path for monorepo repositories with multiple packages. Specify the subpath to each package. What does that mean? Does that mean I need to insert it like this? Specify the subpath to each package, or does it mean? Is it an array? I need to understand how that package's path is being used. And like using this for that is there some get packages paths or something? One of these actions is grabbing the get branches. God damn it. Like, who is using this? What? Wasn't that helpers? Who is using this get packages paths? Can I do this here? References. Create config. Oh, wait. Options, packages clubs. Oh, so it is packages clubs. So this hasn't actually changed. Oh, it's just wrong in the README? But what was the problem? Oh yeah, so I have these packages clubs, but for some reason it wasn't able to. It stated everything was monorepo. Why did it do that? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to try to run the release notes again. God damn it, we're not getting this out today. God damn it. Why does it use... There must be something wrong with the get packages names. Or paths. Damn it, damn it, damn it. This was supposed to be such a relief to get this done today and then get into this shit. Like, I'm not blaming Repo Cooker for this. I'm blaming just the situation of me not being able to be involved in anything for a while, and I'm just completely out of the loop. So we're going to take a look at this and see what it actually creates. Well, I guess we can go where it's being used, which was create config. Where is create config? Oh, that's also in helpers. What the fuck? Packages paths. That must be wrong. Why the hell? Why is it giving monorepo all over? Because these are correct. It's able to find the packages. But when it's being used, which was in the... Which action was that? Which action was that? God damn it. Why don't I just clone this repo so I can efficiently work with it? This is so annoying. I'm so stubborn. I'm so freaking stubborn. Where was it? The link. Oh, for fuck's sake. Packages paths. Link. Where the fuck was it? Link. This is not it. Where the hell is that thing? Link. There it is. No. Yeah, here it is. Not in any package. So, full path. What the hell is happening here? By looking at files changed, match package, group commits, affected packages. Okay, so something goes wrong here. package name plus slash. Okay, let's see what the hell happens here. Console.log full path. This is probably going to overload the console, but I don't care. Oh, wait. This was group commits by package. Let's see. Action group commits by package. Oh, this is like really going to overload the console. Well, why doesn't it not in any package? Oh, of course, I know now. God damn it. The problem is that we changed the path. So all the stuff I've been working on for release 28, all the packages was behind the node modules, like the old structure. But now that we moved into the new structure, it doesn't match anymore. It just doesn't match anymore because now the package path is different. That's the problem, of course. Okay, at least we figured out why. So to fix this, like we can't really fix this. It's going to be the wrong thing here. Damn it. Or I can move it back into the node modules folder. And then do the release, and then move it back. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. So we're going to new folder, node modules, because it seems that it still supports it. I think. What the fuck? Overmind. Okay, so we have it back in node modules. And this should now be node modules. Okay, let's see what happens now. If I do npm install, okay, it was able to link it. That's good. So I guess there's one thing, like the Electron fix was committed on the new repo structure. But that isn't a big deal. As long as it bumps, it's okay. What the hell is all of this? Don't save, don't save, don't save, don't save, don't save. Oh, this is annoying. God damn. Seriously? Why is... This is stupid. Do I really have to go through every unsaved? Oh, 30, 29, 28, 27. What the fudge? Why is it doing this? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, and if am I able to run the tests, for example? At least it's running the test, so that's good. Okay, so let's try running the release now, or the dry release. So we just have to, oh yeah, no git. Just have to make sure that the change to the dev tools actually bumps. Okay, so now it should do correct bumping. Let's see, let's update. A good thing we actually checked this, because this would be horrible. Like, finally a new release and then it doesn't work. Like, the versioning would be completely messed up. There we go. Now it shows Overmind bumps to 28, Overmind DevTools, oh nice, bumps to 29. So we're all good there. Yeah, everything's bumping like crazy here. So that's good. This is how it's supposed to look. Great. Okay, so we can do the release with this. So I'll git add npm run commit. We'll have to run this first. Chore monorepo move packages back to old structure for release, and then we can just do yes git push, git checkout master, git pull. Okay, so that one's ready. So while we're waiting for Travis CI, while we are waiting for Travis, sign in with GitHub. Just want to make sure this runs okay before we actually do the release. What we can do is we can take a look at introduction and we can go and update the sandboxes. So here, increasing complexity. Don't we have, there we go. So I believe most of these are actually okay. Oh, this is running on very old versions. Create hook provider. Yeah, so this, yeah, we have to change all of them. I don't think this takes that long, so let's just follow it and Isn't there like a button for that? I have to give notice. God damn it. Cannot read property includes of undefined. Why can't you read? God damn it. God damn it. Bump axios? What the hell is all of this stuff? Cannot read property includes of undefined. What the hell does that mean? It might be... Let me clear the cache and then we'll try again. This is so annoying. Default branch. How do I build history? Next. Restart build. You know, this is one of the things I want to fix at Code Sandbox. It's like there's so, well, not just me, everybody at Code Sandbox, there's so much work that goes into everything else than actually just writing the freaking code. Just like this has nothing to do with Overmind as a tool. All the shitstorm stuff I'm going through now, and this is what burns people out. It's like there's so much to consider and fix and maintain, and now we're not even talking about documentation. It's crazy. So like working on Overmind, it's not coding Overmind and fixing bugs and stuff that burns me out. It's this shit. God damn it. Just I have to say I'm late for a meeting. Trying to, god damn it. Trying to deploy or publish. Fuck. Trying to publish over my... Why the hell doesn't this work here? Why does it work locally but not? Overmind website? What's that doing there? Okay, let me try. Oh yeah, because I'm on master, sorry. Include link as module 38. What the hell is that? Common path. Packages, paths. Map, resolve, config. Link as module. Oh fuck, of course. My Of course, I just deleted all freaking packages. I can't git ignore. God damn it! Not packages, node modules. Of course, I git ignore the whole thing. How do I actually get? How do I now get these packages into? How do I add this stuff now to? Oh, for fuck's sake! Why aren't they popping up on on my git change now? I only want to. How do I? Oh, is it because it's after? So if I say not packages, node modules. Yeah, good. So if I do npm install here. God damn it. Ah, this is just insane. Oh, I get the error here as well now. So that wasn't the issue. Cannot read property includes of undefined. So I can't. Okay. I need help with this. We're not getting through this. So I can't do the release with the old structure because of the version of repo cooker. But if I use the old version of repo cooker, we can't make the release because of requirements on GitHub. So we're completely stuck here. I do wonder what happens here, though. We can check that. And I was hoping this day would be so awesome. And now I'm in a shitty mood. What was it? Link as module. It wasn't able to. Yeah, it's the common path. Packages, paths. Yeah, so it seems that packages paths is console.log. What the fuck? Packages. Let's see. Config packages paths. Yeah, it's empty. So it's not able to build the packages paths, but now we know a little bit more here. This is where it happens. So why isn't it able to? Because I did change the thing, right? Repo cooker. Packages / no modules. Yeah, it should work. Where were we? Link as module. Packages path. Helpers get packages path. So this is where it tries to, else we have a glob. Path resolve. Okay, so let's look at what paths. They're all there. Why isn't it? Why is it saying that it's empty? Exist sync, is that the thing? It says that it doesn't have a package JSON. What the hell happened here? Where's the package JSON? What the hell happened here? God damn it. What the fuck? Ah. Well, it's not, for fuck's sake. Like, you're going to see live a complete burnout. So we can't do this. We have to check out this thing. So now we have the packages. So let's forget about that thing. So now we have all the packages back here. And what we're going to do, we're going to remove this commit here. Let's see, git checkout next. Git, what the hell was the rebase interact? Well, we're going to, is it squash? Yeah, squash. No, it's not squash. What is it? Git. Oh, God damn it. Is it delete? Oh, drop, of course. Drop. Git push force. A protected branch, of course. Next, settings, branches, next, edit, protect, protect, protect. Oh, was this the branch protection rules? Delete. And then we'll add rule for next. Then let's see. Cool. Okay, so let's try this again. We need to move all of these folders into a node modules folder, but we need to first ensure that it's not ignored. So we have node modules, but not packages node modules. So when we create a new folder here called node modules, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use my Finder because I have a feeling that VS Code was messing this up. Where is it? Overmind, packages, Betsy, Overmind, Overmind DevTools, blah, 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 blah. Move into node modules. Boop de boop. And then we have a git status on this. Yes, untracked files, good. So we should be able to, yeah, and we did test, like run tests and stuff. So let's just try this. Git add npm run commit. Chore mono repo. Go back to old structure for release. Yes. And git push. Okay, let's see what Travis says now. Yeah, again, like I was complaining, it seemed like I was complaining about repo cooker. I wasn't. I was just angry at the situation. It's, yeah, we have to create some, maybe that could be like the next thing. God damn it. Why is it, isn't it? Why is it? I have the package JSON stuff here now. Is it the cache again? Let's try deleting the cache again. No, I don't have any cache now. Why is this failing now? God damn it. That wasn't supposed to happen. Bum 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 bum. And I was so naive and thought that this would just work out. Okay, so I'm still getting that issue. Why am I still getting that issue? Let's see. Repo cooker. Dist. So this was link as module. And is this still What the fuck? Config that packages paths. Is this still empty? I thought it was empty because there wasn't a package JSON there. What? Helpers, create config. Get packages paths. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Now it should work. There we go. Okay, whatever. Git add npm run commit. Sure. Mono repo fix config. And git push. Now it should work. And let's just to be perfectly sure, let's do another local check for the release notes. And then if Travis goes green, we'll do the release. We'll do the release, set the main variant on the website to be version 28, publish the release on change feed, update the sandboxes with a new API, and fix the repo so that it has a new structure. And we can check here. Okay, it's bumping major on all of them, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. Okay, good. Do not disturb. Oh, shit. Maybe we could update the sandboxes in the meantime. Like we can use the next version. And then... no, let's just wait for this. One thing at a time. Do I have... Fix introduction. Yeah. I've done that. Yeah, Whopper cheese. We don't usually buy Burger King. Let's see. What did we want to do? Set main variant to 28. Publish change feed. Update sandboxes. Move monorepo back to normal structure. That's what we're going to do. But yeah, at least we had a build success now. That's good. That is good. Check out master. Git pull, git merge. And like if we get an error doing the actual release from master, I'm going to flip out like crazy. I'm trying to find something I can throw. Yeah, and then there are a few other tasks, which is look through website PRs, close issues related to release. Close issues related to release. Yeah, but I can do that later. How much time have I spent on this now? 1.5 hours soon. Yeah, and it's actually going to take some time to do the actual release on master. Yeah, but I guess we'll just have to get through it. What do I have on my calendar? Yeah, maybe we can stay on the stream and then yeah, I can get some work done. But I just won't share my screen until the release is actually done. Or can we do something else? I thought about, yeah, because we have this Firebase, Excalibur Firebase project. I'm testing the Loom API, but I want to put Tailwind CSS. I've been using Tailwind CSS for a while now, and I'm just completely in love with it. I've never been more productive building UIs. And for me, it's not about, it's just building nice enough UIs and just have some primitives that just does what I want them to do. And just the fact that Tailwind CSS just resets everything, like every element looks exactly the same in terms of styling. It's super nice. But no, it's publishing. So yeah, this is definitely working. So maybe we can just start a release. Yeah, let's just start a release because this is there. It's done. Okay, cool. That went green. So let's merge and let's push. And now we should start a release on master. So let's see how happy Travis is about this. Yep, up to the top, up to the top. Let's see if we can get a... Okay, that's it. We're actually releasing now, which is awesome. Yeah, maybe we can take a look at the issues on... There are some new bugs showing state between browser tabs. The right doesn't work when state input from another library due to symbol usage. I believe this is fixed. På stream. Hi there. I believe the issue here is that multiple versions of Overmind is running, which is why the symbol is different. Make sure that the versions align. Tack. Ja. Let's see. Yeah, this is related to which is why make sure that the versions align. You can check this by looking into node modules, where I would guess your library has its own version of Overmind in its own node modules instead of using a shared one directly from of the app. This is a general problem with libraries. Well, I don't have to make any excuses. Yeah, but that's annoying for sure. Overmind acting throws unquote reference error. This should be fixed in next. This should be fixed in next release. Add strict state usage by setting any property without it being first defined. Currently it's police by setting any property without it being first defined. Ah. Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting. Like, yeah, I can see the issue. We can do it for the root, but we can't do it for sub namespaces. Well, maybe we could. Well, that would be super tricky because the proxy state tree, which actually deals with this logic, doesn't have any notion of namespaces. It's just one giant object, and Overmind itself just happens to have a concept of namespaces, but it's just an object. So proxy state tree wouldn't be able to like deal with that. So it would need like a concept of like protected paths or something. It could have that, but yeah. Oh, is it publishing? No, it's running tests. Oh, wow, I got lunch. OMG. That's nice. Wow. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Still building. Oh, it's publishing 10 p.m. I think. Yup, it's publishing. Awesome. Awesome, it worked. Just 2 seconds. I need to wash my hands a little bit. have a successful release. Let's check GitHub. 42 seconds ago. Bumped to 28. Awesome. Awesome. Maybe we should add this here. Migration guide, full release notes. Save. Publish. Set as main variant. Save. Merge. What else do we need to do? Publish change feed, update sandboxes. Yeah, so this is Overmind latest. Unfreeze. Overmind React latest. I guess it breaks now because it's create state hook. Use actions, create actions hook. Cool, this should be the same. Nice. Do I have to freeze it again? No, okay, cool. So that's one of them. Then we have the next one. Increasing complexity. App. Oh yeah. Overmind latest. Unfreeze. Overmind React. I guess that's it. Create state hook, create actions hook. Where are we actually using it to do app? Oh my god, so annoying. OMG, OMG. There we go. Oh, we have the same. Like that. Nice. That one's okay. Let's close it. And we are now moving to yet another one. I guess we can do this a little bit quicker. Oh. What did I do? Leave. I think I forked it. Or I didn't. Oh. Okay, so I guess when I unfreeze, there we go. That's a little bit annoying. What did I do now? Did I do? Oh, I fixed it. Okay, and then app state, create state hook, use actions, create actions hook. Unknown save error. I think that was, yeah, because of the... Cool. Now that one's working again. And then scaling up. Use app state, use actions, unfreeze. Okay, and then cool, and then we have to there we go. Cool, that one's okay. And then it's the TypeScript one, that's the last one. Yeah, maybe we can say that it's released now. Releases, how do I look at it? View. Cool. Was this the... Yeah. Unfreeze. Yeah, we're going to make it... Oh, god damn it. We need to make another change on these sandboxes. Because we're going to take advantage of the scope tracking. So we'll have to go through them again, but that should be quite quick. Create state hook, create actions hook. Okay, I'll just need to check the... Yeah, that's okay. From the perspective of... Yeah, good. Yeah, so the change we're going to make here is the to-do item itself. We're going to pass in an ID. Instead, ID, and it's a string. And we're going to say to do here is use state Isn't this working? Why isn't this working? What did I do? Why does it look like this? Wait, this is old stuff. What the fudge? It still has create hook, but it's running. I think it's only the this is wrong. It's editing. Yeah, I think it's only the typing. No, it's definitely not only that. God damn it. What the hell is happening here? I think it's code sandbox and it's caching. But I can't be sure. But I do wonder why. God damn it. Why doesn't it give like an error on this to do dot completed? Oh yeah, because it returns the whole thing. Yeah, this makes sense. But it seems to be running, it doesn't seem to be running the latest version. Where is the scope tracking? I don't understand. Where is the scope tracking? How am I going to check this? Scope tracking. Is it a code sandbox thing or is it something else? But it does state that it's using 28. But when I look at Overmind React, the built version of Overmind React, it's not. Yeah, it's not supposed to have the stuff it has here. How do I fix this? Like, this is so weird. If I go here and I say use app state, create state hook, I get this is old stuff. Even though it states that it's 28. ID is not defined. What the hell is happening here? Oh, of course it's not defined. Oh, now it seems to be working. Oh, good. Okay. I have no idea why. Okay, now we have the latest stuff, but it's still... There we go. Now it's working. Ah, weird. Okay, so let's just go through the other sandboxes again. And fix so they look the same. Components, to do app, to do.id, ID, and freeze. Yeah, and this is wrong. To do use app state, that must have been confusing. State to do's ID. This should supposed to be is editing. That's kind of the whole point. Oh, does this have the same issue? Whoop. Oh, state. Ah. Oh, editing to do. Oh. Oh, god damn it. I didn't think this through. Yeah, I think we're going to editing to do title. I think we're going to show how you can combine local state with global state. Set editing to do title equals use state to do the title. So we'll do this and this. Oh, but then I have to refactor all the other stuff. Oh, god damn it. And then cancel editing to do. No, wait, this isn't the way to do it. Okay, let's just... maybe this is a good way to show both things. Well, now we have two use app state. That's not how it's intended to work. God damn it. For fuck's sake. And now we get into this kind of stuff. I didn't think about this example. Because we do want to show the scope tracking, but it's also using other state. And if we use, like, of course we can use two of them. It doesn't really matter. Well, okay, this is interesting because we can do... No, we can't do that. We can pass it from the outside. I think we have to do that. Yeah, we could even have editing is editing. We could have like editing to do title, and that would indicate that it's actually editing. That would be better. Yeah, it's really interesting. Like in terms of like it's tricky when you have this app where you want to show features and at the same time like it should be usable. So in this case, you can't edit more than a single to do, which doesn't really make sense to edit more than a single to do. Oh shit, don't I have a meeting? God damn it. Got release out, but need to fix something. Yeah, so it's a little bit weird that we're kind of passing in editing to do title here. From the outside. Yeah, no, let's show how you do local local state edits, and then yeah, so we're going to drop is editing. Okay, then I have to refactor all of them. God damn it. But let's just do it. It's the way I like. That's also a factor here. I don't want to spend much time now to refactor this, but we should do what's intended. Like we should show how you can do go and grab any state, how you can scope state, and how you combine it with local state. And that's what we're doing here. So maybe did I still have it here? Yeah. This is how it should be to do title. And then we don't even need is editing here. Editing to do title. How do we say that we're editing that to do? Is it if we have an editing to do title? Can do that, and then const is editing, which I like. I don't like writing code like this because we're not explicit about being in an editing state. We're making it implicit based on this being null or yeah. So even here, like this isn't like this would cause a bug because you can have an empty name, right? But you're still editing. So we have to be very explicit about editing to do title equals null. That's, well, not equal null. That's when we're actually editing. Which, yeah, again, it's not how you do proper state management. You should be way more explicit, but that's the thing with React. Like you don't want to split up into like multiple states so that you have like one saying is editing and the other one, well, maybe we want to do that here. Okay, let's do that here. So you have is editing, toggle, well, set is editing. False, and then this will indeed be the to-do title. Oh god damn, I have to refactor all of this stuff. Is editing. So this is double click. Where's the double click thingy? Actions edit to do. Set is editing true. Set is editing false. Yeah, we need. I need to refactor all of this. Anyways, and we can use this as a reference. Yeah, and you kind of see why I prefer having things inside Overmind. Yeah. So at least now it should work. Yeah, but yeah, and this is also a thing. Like when I hit enter, we have to change the local state and pass in. Like that's the thing about local state. So I'm globally actually storing it, but I'm locally changing it. So what if an error happens when I globally save it? I want to move back into edit state. And now that logic is decoupled, like this local edit state of saving. The local edit state and the saving logic is completely decoupled, which I definitely don't like. You know what? I really don't like. I guess this is a good demo of showing that I don't like to separate. Like why I prefer having everything inside Overmind. Just makes it way more clear. The only thing here is that we actually need to pass the editing to do title as well into the item, but I don't like that either. Maybe that should actually be on the to do itself. I didn't think of that. That's of course how it should be. Of course. So save editing to do title. So we just pass in the to do ID here as well. And this would be to do editing to do title. Editing to do title. Editing. Edited title. Yes. How do we actually implement this? Edit to do. Okay, editing to do ID. Oh yeah. It's so hard to jump into something you built ages ago. What was your mindset? I think we're just going to have each to do, like each to do can have an edit state. And then we're going to say edit to do state to do's to do ID is editing. True. We don't even need this one. Edited title equals to do. Like that. Edit to do, cancel editing to do. We need a to do ID here as well. State to do's to do ID is editing. False. Save editing to do title. Again, to do ID. Wants to do state to do's, to do ID. If to do is editing, to do dot title equals to do dot edited title. Change editing. Yeah, so this would be state to do's. Yeah, we need to know both there. We need to know the title and to do ID. God damn, this is. Okay, cool. To do is editing. We don't need to pass in is editing from here. Okay, let's see. Edited title of undefined. Oh, sorry. Where's the double click? No, not. Change. There we go. Hey. Save, is that the last? Save editing to do title. Oh. Is editing is false. Now the whole point of all of this is that with the scope tracking, we have isolated the to do. So we are actually only rendering the single item on any change. Even though we add a new to do or like we have 100 to do's, you can be perfectly certain that when you make changes to this to do, it only happens. It's only this component that renders. That's what it enables. Cool, that's working. Okay, happy about that. Now we just have to fix all the other examples. God damn it! Wasn't there something more I wanted to do? Effects. Okay, let's just get this done, and I will be a happy person. Okay, so this was okay, so let's do the TypeScript one with the same changes. Oh yeah, we didn't change the typing here either. Context from unfreeze. Oh, yeah, we did the wrong. Export type config equals iConfig type of config. I'm not sure if we can just say. Wasn't it iConfig? Is it tconfig? Oh. iContext, of course. Oops. iContext. Context. And this should be context. And then this should be context and there should be context. This should be context and string. This should be context, and this should be context and string. Context and string. Context string. Context and filter. Cool. Does this actually work? And it does. And I think let's just change this to I'm a little bit uncertain. Oh, on initialize doesn't work either now. Actions, type of config. I'm a little bit uncertain when and when not. Oops. You have to split it up like this, but let's just follow the convention. And like we don't have an on initialize anymore. This should actually be on initialize Overmind. Let's remove that file. And this should also be, oh, and then we have the instance and Overmind. Could I do it like this? I think. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now that's typed, and now we actually have to make it work. So let's do is editing. Oh, we need to fix that in the other one as well. Oh, god damn it. Oh yeah, we didn't test that, but yeah, but now that's working. We can delete this one. We of course don't have to pass that in anymore. Okay, this is cleaning up nicely though. I'm just kind of tired of doing this release now. Let's see. Cool, now this one is up to date. It's what it should be. Nice effects, blah blah blah. Oh yeah, one more thing. We don't have these anymore. We don't have these anymore. And here we actually have our state. We have a to do, and is editing is a boolean, and edited title is a string. And we don't have these two anymore. Like that. And then oh yeah, so we need to fix that as well. Add to do is editing false, and edited to do title. Oh, edited title would be state new to do title as well. Cool. Is editing false, edited title is state new to do title. Cool. Toggle to do, blah blah blah, remove to do, change editing to do title. Here we need to change it to title to do ID string, title to do ID, to do state to do ID, if to do is editing to do dot edited title equals title. Did I do the same? Oops, that's not supposed to be. Did I do the same here? No, we're just changing it there. Okay, let's do the same here. To do equals state to do ID. If to do is editing, to do the title is to do edited title, and then to do is editing equals false. Yeah, we need that to do ID here. Cool. And then we have cancel editing to do. We needed to do ID here as well. String state to do ID is editing false. Cool. And then it's just to do item itself. That does not need this thing. To do is editing. And this is nice, right? We're actually getting help to fix this now. To do this one now wants an object of title and to do ID. Oh, why is it optional? That's wrong. It seems like a bug in the release. Why the hell is it optional? It might be the TypeScript version that we're using in Code Sandbox, but that worries me. That's something to yeah. I wonder. Okay, let's see if this is working now. And it is. Great. Okay, so that one's done. Luckily, it should get simpler by every sandbox here. Now this should be on initialize Overmind. Unfreeze. If to do is editing, to do title equals to do edited title, to do is editing is false. Cancel editing to do. Okay, I guess that's it. Yeah, it's just the initial state. We don't need that anymore. Hey, boop. Oops. Oh yeah, of course, we need to fix the component. We don't need to pass in is editing anymore. Oh, didn't I fix this one? Oh yeah, we haven't. To do item. So this would be to do. To do is editing. Save editing to do title on that one. This, oops, this should now be title and to do ID to do that ID. I think that's it. Oops. What did I forget? Oh. Cool. That one should be good. And then we have increasing complexity. Let's just do this. Oh, those seems to be running on the latest one. Oh my god. I guess I have to go through oh, we have add to do. Sorry for not talking much, but I just need to get this done. Edit to do is editing true. To do edited title equals to do title. Cool. And we should be good here as well. Oh. ID to do IDs, editing. Oops. To do is editing. I believe that's it. Cool. Let's close that one, and then we have the first one. Oh yeah, cool. So let's just do a quick look at the introduction so that it doesn't convey any information that's wrong, and then then we're done. Then we are done. Let's see. Blah blah blah. You want to introduce and we use blah blah blah. Defining state, defining actions. Increasing complexity. We now have in our file creates blah blah blah, and the hook called use app state. For those who are looking at references, blah blah blah. To do's. Just so that you might intuitively think of a list of them. I'm not blaming you. Blah blah blah. When you need a reference, this is okay. This is just generic stuff. Current to do's. This hasn't changed. Deriving effects. Router. Yes. Effects. Do we point to on initialize? We have add on action, which is a special action Overmind runs when the application starts. Good. Defining blah blah blah. Get to know TypeScript. Add a context type to our actions. Yes, I think we're good. I think we are good. Let's save and merge. And that's it. We are happy with the release. Oh my god. That was an emotional journey for sure. Yes, I'll look through website PRs and I'll close issues related to the release. Maybe we could even do that as like one final thing. One final thing. How do I do like by label? There we go. Released party. Ta-da, that's the thing. Number 3. Number 4. This is nice. This is a good finish. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm on the same team, and we have follow-up bug. Oh, into a new issue. Oops, I wasn't aware of that one. Cool. Great. So yeah, thanks for sorry, I had my comments closed. Is there a big perf improvement having use action, use app state versus use overmind? Oh yeah, so like the performance increase is like when you have components, like with use overmind, every single component will be have tracking logic attached to them, even though you're only using the actions. So that's one benefit. The other thing is like we want to do scope tracking, so that doesn't make sense with use overmind, because if you do scope tracking, would you then only scope the state but you would still have the actions and the effects being at the root. And there's also this issue where you kind of write. You want to namespace. You want to dive into a namespace, so you write something like use Overmind, and then you can't dive into a specific namespace. You would have to do this. So like state space A, and then you will have actions, but then which are also under space A, but you wouldn't be able to like do that. So you would space A actions like that. But now you can say state equals use app state space A, and actions equals use actions space A. And you could even create your own hook for this, which says like const space A. Like, I guess you could do this, use space A, something like that. Yeah. And you could argue that why didn't you just do this with, the use Overmind hook? But the thing is with I think it would be confusing to have scope tracking like only for the state there. That's one thing. It's an effort to move into this. So this is much like closer to heart, or not closer to heart. That's weird to say. It's closer, like it's just there in the component when you write it. But when you discover it, you would have to like create a new file maybe, or you would at least export a new hook and write that hook. It requires a lot of discipline to do that. So this just kind of forces you to clean up your code a little bit. Anyways, that's the idea. Oh, we wanted to do one more thing. We wanted to go to next, and we wanted to do this chore where we move back to the new, and let's again use the finder for this. Like that, move to bin, repo cooker. Now we're here, and we don't need this git ignore here anymore. Let's just do an npm install, and then we're good. But okay, I'll stop the stream now because I really have to get to work. And thanks for following along. And to answer the question, it's not like a huge perf improvement, but it just makes things more structured and more explicit, especially related to scope tracking and allowing you to more easily point to namespaces directly from the hooks. Yes. Cool. But yeah, if you still want like use Overmind, you can create your own hook for that. And you could even create your own yeah, that's kind of cool. You could even do use Overmind equals, and you could say like namespace key of context state maybe. So if your state only has namespaces on it, you could do that, and then you would use the other hooks to grab the namespace, and then you could say like use Overmind admin, for example, and then your actions and state would be actually tied to that. Yeah. Anyways, okay, cool. This was okay. Let's add npm run commit, and we have beyond the symbolic link. Oh, but why isn't okay? Let's just delete that for now. It didn't. Oh, this should be good. Chore monorepo to new structure. And come on. Git push. Nice. That's it. Bye for now. And thanks for hanging out with me, listening to me complaining. But this was a huge relief for me. I've been thinking about this since before last year, or like New Year's. So yeah, huge relief. Bye for now.